So this is just a recap for a live stream 109, I believe. On this recap, we're just going to cover the total loss that we have suffered. In the first part of our live stream, we did suffer a loss of minus 146. We came back not long after, thinking there'd be more opportunities to possibly reduce the size of our loss. There were points where we're in profit, but market didn't quite work for us. So let's just have a look at the additional trades. We've had the short position here, so let's have a look at the entire day. Had a long position, a short position. Close up for a loss on YM here, minus 24 points. Most recently closed position after we've come back for part 2 is a small gain of 3 points, and we've got out of this position because we saw the strong buying on NQ, and we also got out of ES because of that. We did take an RTY trade. It was the first setup of the day. We lost 34 points. We haven't been back since. So went short there. Thought it was a bit oversold, but went short as per our setup. Lost 34 there. On gold, we actually had a gain. We went short. This was the first trade of the day. Went short. Picked up 32. We've shown YM. We showed RTY. On ES, we went long. Was concerned about a double top. Took the trade anyway as per our system. Because we saw last week, we got out of a trade because what we thought was a double top, and the prices continued to the upside. So went in, bit of a double top, price sold off, lost 35. Price came down, closed below the 200 period here, set up for a short, went short, closed the position recently because of the strength that we saw in. So we didn't quite hit our stop because of the strength we saw in NQ. We decided to close the position minus 20 there. And NQ, the most costly instrument for us today, responsible for over 120 of these losses here. So the first trade, we lost 83 onto the downside, again corresponding with the ES trade. Was a bit of a double top there, but after last week thought may see that break to the upside. Did not. Instead we saw move to the downside, lost 83, price came down below the 200 period here. I went short, but I quickly got out for a bit of a scratch trade because it wasn't part of my system. A true setup came here as we closed back above, well, it was actually on this candle. Candle came here. We're below the 200 for some time. Came up. That's interesting. Went short. The stop would have been up at 950. Continue to see this buying here above the 200. So decide to exit the position and exit the ES and YM at the same time. So lost 41.5. So 83, 41.5. The majority of these losses are a result of the trades we've taken on NQ. But NQ has been our best instrument. So I'm not going to be too hard on myself there. And here we are. So first, that was a gold trade. We've come back to the market, and instead of improving our position from being down 46, we in fact made it worse, and we're going to end the day down 2-0. Why is that saying 205? Oh yes, the gold trade, the recent YM trade. Going to end the day 205.8. So very big loss, category, well, I'd consider category 10 loss, losing day. But it is what it is. We'll come back and see if we can improve. We're not going to abandon the system of one big losing day. We'll come back rest of the week, for a couple of weeks at least, because of the strength of this system, and see if we can make some improvement in terms of our overall P&L. But with that said, thanks for watching, good luck trading, and have a great day.